Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering on and preparing both devices. Press and hold the power button for about 1 second until the LED flashes. This wakes the headphones. Once done, put the headset into pairing mode by holding power longer until the LED blinks rapidly. Make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is discoverable. This is necessary so the devices can exchange connection info. You do this now to avoid confusion later, and to speed up pairing when you select Beat Studio 3 on your device. You select Beat Studio 3 in the Bluetooth list. The devices will exchange a confirmation tone after pairing. Once connected, open the Beats app or your device sound settings to verify firmware and enable features like active noise canceling and auto-off. Make sure to adjust master volume on your phone and then fine-tune using the headphone controls so you don't clip audio. If you use 2 devices, prioritize the one you'll use most. Switching later is simple, but confirming settings now prevents interruptions. You're almost done. Wear the cups comfortably and test playback, calls, and ANC levels. After use, place the headphones in the hard case and avoid moisture or extreme heat to preserve battery life. If something goes wrong, reset the headset by holding power and volume down for around 10 seconds. This clears pairing and often resolves audio or connection faults. Make sure to keep firmware updated via the Beats app because updates address stability and battery improvements, which prevents recurring problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.